Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and I am a BTech from IIT-BHU. Today we will be discussing the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2014 Chemistry Paper 1. The paper code which we are using is 5. So in case you have the code, you can follow the questions from there.
Okay students, let us look at question number 18. Question number 18 is from the topic of abnormal colligative properties, which we study in the chapter of liquids and solutions. In this particular problem, we have to consider the dissociation or association of a solute. So it says that MX2, which is a solute, it dissociates into M2 plus and X minus ions. Okay. So now, in order to be able to solve the problem, the first thing which you all must know is how to write the dissociation of MX2 solid. Now this MX2 solid, when it will dissociate, I am writing the equation of dissociation. It will form M2 plus, which will always obviously be in a solvated state, M2 plus aqueous ions, plus it will form 2 moles of X minus aqueous ions. So this will be my dissociation equation, right? Because since there are 2x ions over here, so in the dissociation it will also form 2x. Fine. Now I am going to calculate the Van Hoff factor I for this particular dissociation. Van Hoff factor I, as you all must remember the formula, is given by 1 plus n minus 1 alpha. What are n and alpha over here? Alpha is simply the degree of dissociation, which has been given to us as 0.5. Okay. And n is the number of particles into which the solute dissociates. So 1 mole of the solute clearly dissociates into 1 and 2, that is 3 particles over here. So n is going to be 3. If I substitute both the values in the above formula, I will get the value of I, Van Hoff factor, as 1 plus 3 minus 1 will become 2, and alpha, which is 0.5. So 2 into 0.5 will become 1, and 1 plus 1 will become 2. So that will be my value of I. So now the question is very simple. We have been asked to calculate the ratio of observed depression of freezing point to the value of depression of freezing point in the absence of ionic dissociation. So that is, we have to calculate delta TF observed upon delta TF theoretical. Okay. Theoretical simply means without assuming association or dissociation of the solute. Now this, as we all know, is straight away a standard formula, that observed colligative property upon theoretical colligative property is how we define our Van Hoff factor I, which we have already calculated as 2. So 2 will be my correct answer to this question. A fairly simple question, I would say, but then you must be familiar with the topic of abnormal colligative properties. Thank you.